Cuddly stuffed animals and pillows are the best kind. Hi, I am DIY designer Laura Kelly, and today we are talking all about Silky Poly-Fil. Silky Poly-Fil is luxuriously soft and perfect for stuffing huggable animals and beautiful pillows with a high-end decorator look and feel. Silky Poly-Fil is soft as down and has a really silk, smoothie texture. Using virgin bright white siliconized polyester makes a perfect hypoallergenic down alternative fill option. The Silky Poly-Fil stuffing is hypoallergenic. Silky Poly-Fil is perfect for stuffing incredibly soft, huggable handmade animals, dolls, and toys. Many famous designers and makers use this in their beautiful handmade dolls and animals. We love that our Fairfield products have been proudly made in the USA for over 80 years and look forward to being at the heart of your next project.